I've been working for a few years now, working with people with dementia and with transport providers with the aim of bringing them together to truly understand the challenges of travelling with dementia. What we originally did was work with members of the Irish Dementia Working Group across Ireland, asking them what their challenges were on their journeys, and all kinds of insights and stories came out from that. We've been here at Heuston Station today looking around the general environment. The members of the group have walked with the Irish Rail staff, which has been fantastic. Conversations happen as we're walking, as we're looking at services, finding our way around how we feel, what it sounds like, and these are really important conversations to have.
I support the Irish Dementia Working Group, and I hear our members throughout the country speaking every day about the importance of public transport. The Understand Together campaign, of which the Alzheimer Society of Ireland is a partner, encouraged transport providers across Ireland to think about the travel needs of people living with dementia. And through that campaign, we were delighted to link with Irish Rail. This project is about a shared understanding of the travel experience. It's about considering the fear that people living with dementia feel when they take a journey every day. And I think Irish Rail are really to be commended for taking the first step on the journey, for saying, look, we're not perfect, but we want to work with the Alzheimer Society of Ireland and the Irish Dementia Working Group to see how we can make it better.
The fact that I have Lewy body dementia, part of that is a big fear factor. Pretty much fear of the unknown, if you like. And the fact that I'm able to travel on Irish Rail on my own, it means that it gives me confidence, it gives my wife a break, and I have found over the last 12 months that the staff with Irish Rail are more than accommodating, very reassuring, very helpful. And you know, when a person with dementia is reassured, when a guy will say to you, it's platform 2 with a smile on their face, you have no idea how easy that makes my life and how pleasant that makes my journey.
It was a great benefit to have the meeting today to get a perspective from the Irish Dementia Working Group. What we want to do is we want to make the customer experience a little bit better. It can start from 0 to 100. We can have a great experience or a really rubbish experience. What we want to do is we want to recognise where people need the help.
We're delighted to be involved with the working group, and we're learning so much from yourselves, and sometimes we only hear the negative side. We've heard some great positive stories throughout the whole network, and that's something we want to build on and get the whole staff trained up to a certain level.
Meeting the group was very eye-opening for me. It made me look at things a different way, inform me of what different things I can actually do to help people. It is a hidden disability. You cannot see a person that has dementia or Alzheimer's, so you can't understand what a person's going through on a daily basis. I would seriously love for people to tell me that they have either dementia or Alzheimer's, so I can actually help them out better than what they would if they didn't tell me.
So the team from Irish Rail who are engaging with the Irish Dementia Working Group are an incredible bunch. They have, treated us with such dignity and respect. But most of all, for me, I really feel heard in the concerns I've shared, in some of the challenges that we have. I really feel that they are on board with wanting to make travel by rail safe and secure for those of us living with dementia.